Hello and welcome back to SeaTac New Now, the Pacific Northwest leader in lighting news. I'm Maurice Dunn, and with me today is the delightful Alissa Stone.
Thanks, Mo. I'm happy to be here at the news desk with you today. Let's go ahead and jump right into the news. Cooper Lighting Solutions offers field selectable technology that gives you in-field flexibility at your fingertips. Select your CCT and lumen package with the click of a button. This technology can be found on select fixtures from strips to downlights and troffers. Save money and time by specifying product with these features today.
In more news, Axis Lighting has just expanded their healthcare offerings to now include MRI fixtures. These fixtures feature silent source technology that provides an all-inclusive approach complete with filters, drivers, and wiring. They're independently tested and certified to meet mil-spec 461G standards.
And they're currently available to ship.
Awesome.
All right, well, let's head over to Jake, who has an update for us on a new offering from Shaper. Jake, what do you have for us?
Hey, thanks, Alyssa. Shaper just recently launched an entirely new 3D printed pendant collection called Prentalux. This is going to give designers a huge flexibility to have scale, a ton of standard finishes, textures for both the inside and the outside of the pendant, and if they wanted to take a graphic and apply it to the outside of the pendant, we can totally do that, no problem. Now, one of the biggest benefits to having 3D printed product is simply reducing our carbon footprint and less waste for material and a product. That's all I really got for you guys today. Back to you.
You know that 3D printing is pretty cool.
It's pretty awesome stuff.
What the heck are you doing here?
Hey guys,
Hey.
we interrupt this broadcast with some breaking news. Our beloved news anchor, Maurice Dunn, is officially retiring.
Finally.
Mo started his career in 1877 as apprentice to Thomas Edison.
Oh my gosh, Floyd, come on.
Okay, fine. In 1977, a young and handsome Maurice Dunn started his career in electrical design. In '89, he made the big leap to lighting sales and has been working in specification lighting sales ever since. And in 2009, Mo made the best move of his career. He started with SeaTac Lighting. He's been a beloved employee, friend, and mentor ever since. Thank you, Mo, for your 145 years of service in the lighting industry.
Gee, thanks, Floyd.
You'll be missed, but your legacy will live on forever.
Well, on that note, I'm out of here. Floyd, I'm officially handing the anchor to you.
Wait, where are you going right now?
Yep, I'm catching a flight to Hawaii, folks.
Hey,
I hope you're not expensing that one.
don't forget to bring your sunscreen. All right, let's get back to business with the latest offering from Nulite. The Nulite Bounce can be a powerful architectural element in your ceiling. This fixture, available as a 2x2, 2x4, or 4x4, is a low glare, recessed ambient lighting solution that brings softness and visual comfort to the modern workspace. The low glare performance of the Bounce helps you achieve 2 points with the well building standard and an additional 3 points with the tunable white option. Nulite's Bounce is also the designer's delight with the ability to select the top reflector material. For the lowest cost and most practical version, you could select a standard acoustical ceiling tile. If your choice is to get wild,
Oh, like WSU Cougars?
yes, or wood, acoustic, or diamond plating,
I really do love all of these reflector options. It sounds like the possibilities are endless.
yep, they really enhance the space.
Oh, speaking of enhancing a space, Justin Blair has some tips on the enhanced energy code. Take it away, Justin.
Welcome back to Energy Code Tips and Tricks. My name is Justin, and today we're talking about Enhanced Energy Code. Enhanced Energy Code allows you to apply for LEED accreditation for your building, and oftentimes it gets VE'd out. But if you utilize a Xanamoni light fixture like this one here, with an enhanced digital driver built into the fixture, you save on your controls components, and you meet the Enhanced Energy Code with just installing those fixtures. Hope that helps.
Thanks, Justin. Well, that's it for this episode of SeaTac New Now. Thank you for watching.
From everyone here at SeaTac, stay lit, Seattle.
Be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another SeaTac video.